If you are looking for an affordable condominium unit here in Project 8, Quezon City, prices start at 2.1. Please continue to watch this video. So we are here right now in Project 8 to feature our studio dress up model unit. Let's go. So upon entry, guys, you will be welcomed by your kitchen. Of course, now, so this is a studio unit. So let's move forward, and we have here your uh, toilet and bath. And this will be your unit. No? So pwede mo ilagay yung sofa bed mo dito or your bed frame. And also you have a spacious balcony or yard. Ayan. Okay? So try natin. So medyo maingay lang siya guys kasi nga ongoing yung construction. Ayan. And this is applicable for pag-ibig or bank financing. No? So very rare na makakakita tayo ng mga condo units na applicable for pag-ibig. So if you are interested, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. So once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home.